This is a small video that shows how to repair one of these controllers on an ML350 from 2006, 7, 8, or 9. Some people say that you got to remove the whole vent by using something to unclip from here, there, and there. I try to do that. However, that is not necessary. Normally, the only thing that's left is this little thing that's hooked around in behind here somewhere. I used just a little scissor to remove it, so I take this away so it's all clean. Now this is the one I replaced. In order to put this in, the smartest thing to do is to push the new one in across this little piece, but not all the way. Leave one side out. Then, as you can see in the back, these two have to capture the one that moves this way on the inside. So capture that with the two forks in here. Once you've captured it, you press it in the rest of the way. And when you've done that, everything works great. So the repair should not take more than a couple of minutes. Good luck with it.